A disgusting case of vandalism on the peninsula tonight. Nightbeat's Andrea Borba shows us taggers in Pacifica have turned a decomposing whale carcass into a canvas.
Something stinks at Maury Point. And it's not just the sperm whale that's been rotting on the pebbly beach for a week. Tucked against the cove, scrawled on the dead whale's carcass in spray paint, the calling card of the East Bay Rats Motorcycle Club.
I think it's incredibly sad and unfortunate that someone would take that opportunity to defile nature.
It's awful. You know, I think it's bad enough what happened to the poor whale. Why do they have to go and make it worse?
Savina Hong brought her kids to check out the circle of life in motion.
See how big it is?
But instead found not just a dead mammal, but other horrors. It's not just the graffiti. Someone has burned chunks of the whale blubber left over from the necropsy. Before the ocean takes the 49-foot whale back to a watery grave, the poor whale has to suffer one final indignity at the hands of taggers.
I think it's just a sad group of people.
On the Night Beat in Pacifica, I'm Andrea Borba.